grace of God and the name of the United States of America, I take possession of this planet on behalf of and for the benefit of all mankind.
Dr. Cargraves, Mr. Barnes.
Yes?
I'm in contact with Washington. There's terrific excitement on Earth.
Can you give us your first impressions of the moon, Dr. Cargraves?
Well, I'll try. The first impression is one of utter barrenness and desolation. Hanging over the mountains in the distance, I can see our own planet Earth, many times larger than the harvest moon.